Very good afternoon, all of you. Today we are going to discuss about the linear equation in two variables. So in this case, we will also discuss about the linear equation in two variables. Two variables means we will also define the two variables and linear. What do you mean by the linear? We will also define in this case the solution, the system of linear equation having the no solution or unique solution, many solution. So we will also obtain the conditions for all these. So let me start. First of all, the general form of the linear equation in two variables defined as a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. This is the equation number 1. And now second equation is this a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This is the equation number 2. Okay. So this is the system of linear equation in two variables, because we have used the x and y here two variables. Okay, because x is the first variable and y is the another variables, and where x and y be the variables and a1 comma b1 comma c1 and a2 comma b2 comma c2 are the real numbers. Okay, so this two equation 1 and 2, it is also known as the system of linear equation in two variables. It is also represent, this line is represent the line, and the second equation is also represent the line. Okay, so we will obtain the you can also solve the equation 1 and 2 by the different methods like this elimination and substitution, cross multiplication and graphical methods. You will obtain the solution of the system of linear equation. It means that you will find the value of x and y. Okay, so without the solving, we want to check the system of linear equation having the unique solution, many solution or no solution. So what will be the conditions for all this? So first of all, we will condition the unique solution, case number first. For the unique solution, okay, so what will be the condition for the unique solution? So here the ratio of a1 upon a2 is equal to the b1 upon b2 is not equal to, so a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Okay, so ratio of this equation is already in the standard form, otherwise the general form. So all the given equations can be written in this form, and now check the ratio of a1 upon a2. a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. So this has the condition for the unique solution. There it means that the value of x and y, it means that the value of x and y be the different. Okay, different and real values only. There will be the real values. Okay, so now second is this one, the condition obtained for the having the infinite many solution. So condition, and now second condition is this one, many for the many solution. Okay, what will be the condition for the system have the infinite solution? So condition is A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. Okay, if the ratio of A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 C1 upon C2, all these the ratio are equal, then we can say that the system of linear equation means the linear equation, what into system of linear equation have the so many solutions. Okay, so this is the condition for the obtain many solution. So after this, if the system is given that, so first we will obtain the ratio A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. We will make the all equal this one. If this condition is satisfied, we can say that the system of linear equation into variables have the many solutions. Okay, and now third is this one. The system have the no solution or the no solution for the no solution. So what will be the condition for the no solution? So we will obtain the condition. So here A1 upon A2 this is equal to B1 upon B2 is not equal to C1 upon C2. Okay, because of that the ratio of A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2, and this will be equal, and this not equal to the C1 upon C2 constant. If this condition is hold, we can say that the system have the no solution. So geometrical representation, how we understand by the graphically. So first we will check here. In this case, the system have the unique solution, means the line first and second both are intersecting at the only one point. Okay, so this suppose this is the line first representing the A1 as represent this line. Suppose this is the first line L1, equation number first. Suppose this line A1 as plus B1y plus C1. So this line L1 represent the equation first, and now and second equation is L2. So supposing equation number 2, so intersecting the unique points, only one point. So this will be the condition for the unique solution. It means that the line are intersecting only one point. So this is the condition. A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. It means that the coefficient of x and y both will be the difference. Okay, so line are intersecting, and the many solution, it means that the all the lines are coincide to each other. All two lines are coincide. This is suppose the first line, and all the lines and second line is also coincide this. It means that overlapping this one line first to another. Okay, so it has the many solution. It means that the all the coefficients are also equal. And now after this have the no solution. It means that the lines are parallel. If the lines are parallel, suppose this is the first line and this is the second line. Okay, so like if the lines are parallel, it means that it has the no solution. So we can also understand this one. Suppose here the coefficient is also equal. Suppose this is line, first lines are parallel. तो इट मीन्स दैट इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइन यहाँ पर पैरेलल लाइंस है. दिस इज द पैरेलल लाइंस, और लाइंस कौन साइड यहाँ पर है, कौन साइड द लाइंस. एंड इन दिस केस द फर्स्ट यूनिक सॉल्यूशन, इट मीन्स दैट लाइंस आर इंटरसेक्टिंग. लाइंस आर intersecting only one point. Okay, so this is the conditions for obtain the many solution, no solution, unique solution. So we have already defined the conditions for obtain no solution, infinite many solution, and coincide. If the lines are coincide, then we can say that the many solutions. And parallel lines, it means that the lines have the no solution, and lines are intersecting, and the lines are the intersecting, and this one means the lines have the unique solution. Okay, thank you so much.